In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim a video using CapCut. CapCut is a versatile video editing app that allows you to make quick adjustments to your videos directly from your mobile device. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, these steps will help you efficiently trim your video clips to perfection. First things first, you'll need to open CapCut on your device. It's easy to navigate and you'll love the intuitive interface. Once you have the app open, look for the option that says New Project and tap on it. This will allow you to start with a fresh creation slate for your video editing. Now you'll want to select the video that you intend to trim. You can do this by browsing through your gallery and picking the specific video clip. Once you've found it, simply load it into the timeline. The timeline will serve as your editing canvas, where you'll work on your video. Once the video is in your timeline, you need to ensure it is selected. This is a crucial step because editing options like trimming or cutting will only apply to the currently selected clip. Tap on the video clip, and you should notice it being highlighted, indicating that it's ready for editing. With the clip selected, focus on either the beginning or the end of the clip situated in your timeline. Place your finger on the edge you wish to adjust, whether it's the start or the finish of the clip, and press gently to engage the trimming feature. The next step involves the actual trimming action. While holding down your finger on the edge of the clip, drag inward. This motion allows you to shorten the clip to your desired length. Take your time and move slowly to ensure you capture the start and end points exactly as you need. If you're not sure about the perfect length, remember that you can always adjust it later. So there's no need to worry if it's not perfect on your first try. Once you're satisfied with the length, simply release your finger. This will finalize the trimming operation, setting your clip to the selected duration. If you find that adjustments are still needed, don't hesitate to revisit these steps. CapCut's flexibility allows you to play around until you achieve the edit you're aiming for. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can expertly trim videos using CapCut. It's a straightforward process that makes editing on the go a breeze. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy crafting your videos precisely the way you envision them.